What is whole number? Whole numbers include all positive integers and 0. Whole numbers start from 0 and go upwards, no negatives. Examples: whole numbers 0, 7, 23. Let's start at whole number from 0. 0, 0, apple. 1, 1, banana. 2, 2, mango. 3, 3, orange. 4, 4, apple. 5, 5, banana. 6, 6, orange. 7, 7, mango. 8, 8, apple. 9, 9, mango. 10, 10, banana. What is natural number? Natural numbers start from 1 and going up. They start at 1, 1 or 0, 0 if 0, 0 is included, and go on infinitely. There is no negative number and all positive number. Let's start at the natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,